Hello everyone, this is Robert Ho again. I'm the instructor of COAC 1301. I just want to give you a little bit of orientation how to use Blackboard or how to navigate Blackboard. The first thing that you need to do is to click the start here on the left hand panel, and then you will see my orientation videos. I have part 1 and part 2. Please click this link and you can watch it over and over until you understand how the COAC 1301 course works. Okay, I have part 1 and then also I have part 2. The second item in the start here is the welcoming message or information. You can see my picture here. I know that this is an online class, so you didn't have a chance to see me. Here is my picture. You are welcome to stop by in my office, Building M149 Pecan Campus. In case you want to speak or discuss something. Also, here on the right hand side, I have a course material. You need to purchase the SIMNet 2016 code, which include the digital textbooks. The digital textbook is included in the software. The name of the book is Technology at Your Service and SIMNet code. Okay. This is the web address http://southtexascollege.simnetonline.com. Let me show it to you here. southtexascollege.simnetonline.com. Make sure that you don't have a typo as you type the URL address here, southtexascollege.simnetonline.com. Okay. All right. The company the company is kind enough to give you 14 days trial. So if you don't want to purchase the SIMNet code today, you can use this access code, okay, the trial version. They allow you for 14 days, but if you want to purchase right away, you click this link, which is the second link. No, I need to buy a license. Let me show you how to do to get a 14-day trial. You go to this URL address and then click this one. No, but I have a code and need access code. Do you attend South Texas College? Yes. Do you have a SIMNet username? No. And then you click next. Okay. You read all of this. Normally, people just scroll it up and click check this and click next. Okay. Here, that you need to really pay attention. We have many different instructor and class sections. So I want you to look for my name here, Robert Ho, section V31 summer 2, or you are enrolled in section V33 summer 2. So you need to pay attention within this. Okay, look at on your registration paper what section you are in, and then you click next. Then you check this for 14 days trial. Okay, you check this, it allows you to give you for 14 days trial. Okay, so the next thing is, where is this? The next thing is introduction about myself. You can read a little bit about myself or about the course. So I just want to emphasize this. Okay, since this is a summer course, this is a very short period of time. I suggest you spend on working on the assignment every day 1.5 to 2 hours. Okay, Monday to Friday. So normally students spend on average about 8 to 12 hours per week to complete the assignment. The class is not very difficult. However, it takes time to work on the assignment because you do not want to memorize the concept, computer concept. You want to understand it. You want to learn it better. Okay. Remember, there is a difference between learning and cramming. Cramming, you take the exam and then tomorrow you forget. But that's not the purpose of education. You want to learn and understand the material. That's why it takes some time. Okay. I want you to click here. I have my syllabus. Okay. Download my syllabus and read it carefully. And we have here a statement of equal education institution and equal employment opportunity and ADA. Okay. So that's the first section of that. The second section is the course content. Okay. In the course content, I divided into 5 weeks, right? The class is divided into 5 weeks. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and week 5. Notice that on week number 5, the class is ended on August the 9th, which is what? August the 9th here, which is on Thursday. So student need to take the final exam on or before August the 9th. Okay. All other assignment is on a weekly basis is due on Sunday. Okay. So week 1 assignment, week 1 task, all finish in here. 11:55 on Sunday. Week 2 also. All work and task assignment are due on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. In case you are behind on schedule, right? I hope you don't get behind on task and assignment, but in case you do, please complete that as soon as possible. Otherwise, you will see a lot of material here. Let me show you week 1 overview here. Okay, what you are going to do. The first thing, you need to go over chapter 1. Okay, I will make a lecture video here, and also you're gonna work on Microsoft Office Word 2016. Okay, these are the learning objective. Okay, this is the overview, and this is the module learning objective. And then these are some of the learning activities. Okay, what are the learning activities? You need to read and go over my PowerPoint, which is I'm gonna make a video lecture on that. I will put this in this section. Okay, chapter PowerPoint and lecture. So the first week assignment is you work on the SimNet simulation Word lesson 1 through 4. Okay, and then after that, as soon as you finish the Word lesson 1 and 2, you can take the word skill test. I would suggest you take this word skill test by Sunday or by Saturday after you finish this one. I forget to put something here. I would like to give you some handout here, right? As you notice that when you log into Blackboard, I have a discussion also, and also I will provide you with a lab handout exercise in here. Okay, I haven't posted that, but when I finish this video, I will create a link which is lab handout. Okay, let me see. Overview. So you have overview, module learning objective, learning activities, chapter PowerPoint. I want to create a new link here, which is a Word handout. Okay, Word handout, because you will need to submit. So I'm gonna please download Word handout and work on your, please download the Word handout. Please download and complete the Word handout exercises. Once finished, attach them in this track. Thanks. Okay, so I will attach my handout there. and then you can see, let me show you. I have to put a value, so let me put a value 100 here. 100. Okay, so I'm gonna see here. So student, okay, here we go. The word handout assignment. Let me put this. Let me modify a little bit. Okay. Word handout assignment. Okay. Here. All right. Now it helps you better. Okay. All right. So this is week number 1. Okay. You need to do the SimNet simulation. You need to work on the handout. Also, you need to take the word skill test. I will provide the lecture in here. How do you find the lab simulation? Let me show you how you can. Let's assume that you already purchased the SimNet code 2016. Okay, so I will have my assignment in here. Let me show it to you here. Here I have summer 2. Okay, so week 1 you will complete this one. Word lesson 1, 2, 3, and 4. After you finish that, then you will take the word skill test. I haven't created the word skill test yet, so when I finish my lecture, I will upload that over there. All right. So let me see what else I need to say here. Research paper. Okay. So here is week 1. Okay. So you will see that also week number 2 is over there. Research paper. Okay. Research paper. What is the assignment? Okay. Basically, student will be asked to write 4 to 5 double-spaced paper and 12 to 15 PowerPoint slides of PowerPoint related to computer and technology related. Okay, for example, you can choose cyberbully, technology in nursing, planned drones. Okay, student may choose up to 2 members per group. It is due on August the 3rd, 2018, Friday. So you have about 4 weeks to complete this assignment. I would suggest you find a partner. You can communicate each other through email, from Blackboard messages, or if you decide to work on your own, that is okay too for me. However, I would suggest you work in a partner so you can help each other on the paper and then on the PowerPoint. I have a sample of the topics here. Okay, so here is my sample. You can choose from any of them: video surveillance, smartphone, Apple versus Android, or maybe cybercrime. Nowadays we have a lot of crime like computer viruses, identity theft, ransomware, and all of those stuff. Okay, so these are some of the topic, and I have a sample of my PowerPoint here also. Here we go. I'm gonna download this PowerPoint presentation. Okay, as you notice that this is how you do a PowerPoint presentation. Please take a look at it carefully. 12 to 15 slides. The second page, the second slide is your table of contents, and the last slide is a conclusion and references. Okay, you can use either MLA or APA format, so please download and read this carefully. Okay, I just want to point out that when you do a PowerPoint presentation, do not put all the information there. Okay, just put that is important, like a fragment of a sentence, the idea, because when you will do presentation, then you will speak to the audience. Because if you put all the paragraph over there on the PowerPoint presentation, the audience will read that instead of listening to your presentation. Okay, this is an example of the PowerPoint, and then this is an example of the research paper. Okay, so make sure you do not copy and paste. Okay, this is, I believe, is an MLA format. So here, 4 to 5 double space paper. So look at this. The last one is references. Okay, make sure you put your last name in case you work on yourself by yourself, or you can put your group member last name. Okay, here. Okay. I just want to point out that when you submit this paper to the Blackboard, uh, our school, my department is going to use a program called Turnitin or Save a Sign that will detect your plagiarism. So be sure that when you write this paper, use your own word or paraphrase them. In case you want to copy idea from somebody else, you need to put like a citation here. For example, by who? By Bloomberg, okay? 2018, for example, page what? 20. Okay, make sure you put this is called the citation, right? I hope that you already took some English courses either in high school or maybe you are currently taking an English 101 that helps you how to do the paper. Okay, so I also have a discussion. I will guide you here. The first week you are going to introduce yourself. Okay, introduce yourself, please. How you introduce yourself? You click this introduction and create a new thread. Okay, when you create a new thread, put introduction, and then you're going to post that. All right. So course content, research paper, discussion, and once a week I'm gonna post an announcement through here. Okay, on the left hand side. I will erase this one. Okay, I will erase this. So this is from my last semester. I need to erase so the student will not get confused. Blackboard messages. This is my messages. I just send you an email. I want you to send me your contact info. Please send me your contact info in case an instructor wants to communicate with student by replying this email. Occasionally, I need to speak to you. So please provide your phone number that is working. Okay. I think that's about it. The information on the Blackboard. I hope that this information session about how to navigate to Blackboard is helpful to you, and let me know if you have any question by sending me email. Thank you. Have a good semester.